afternoon from here, Nigeria. I greet you once again, my able-bodied Obonge people. Yeah, this is your one and only Assam Pete. Okay, the other time we looked at greeting. I was speaking Igbo all through, and I sincerely want to apologize to you, my wonderful friends who didn't understand the Igbo language. Okay, I have decided to be speaking English and I'll be mixing it up. Okay, this is a new year, and then oftentimes there is this greeting that people actually find difficult. How do you say happy birthday in Igbo? How do you say happy Christmas? How do you say happy New Year in Igbo? So we are going to be talking about this now. All right. Yesterday was first, okay? So happy New Year. Ezi aro ohuru. Ezi aro ohuru. Ezi afo ohuru. Whichever one is fine. So, to you, my wonderful friends, Ezi aro ohuru. Ekpere mbụ n'afọ a ga-amara anyị mma. This year is going to be one of the best years for us. Okay, like the 25th December that just passed. Happy Christmas. How do you say it in Igbo? Ezi ekeresimesi. Ezi ekeresimesi. Happy Christmas. Okay, 2 days from today is going to be the birthday of my beautiful niece. And then one could say, how do you wish someone a happy birthday in Igbo? It's simple. Just say, Ezin Cheta Omomoge. Ezin Cheta Omomoge. So if your friend is an Igbo person and you want to wish that person a happy birthday in Igbo, simply call the person right now after watching this video. And you know what you're going to say? Ezin Cheta Omomoge. If you've not started following me, please do follow me. This is your one and only friend, Assam Pete. Okay, a quick one. If you are in Kano State, Nigeria, and you're in Sabonkeri, and you are looking for where to enroll for your adult classes, please rush Gidigbam. I beg you, carry your slippers for here. Also, down to the Synergy Language Academy at number 15 Sarikiyaki, where we offer you your perfect adult classes. We have both morning and evening sections, and we have nursery, primary, and secondary classes as well. Okay, so back to what we are talking about. Remember, Happy New Year is your Mahoro. Happy Christmas is a Christmas. Happy birthday is in Chetal Momoge. Alright? Okay, when you wake up in the morning, you can say Ibolachi. So for you that was favored by God to see this beautiful day, Isalachi, Ibolachi. I believe that today is going to be one of the best days. Hello, this is your one and only friend, Assam Pete from Nigeria. Good afternoon from this side. I hope you're doing great today. Once again, Ezi Aro Ohoro. I guess that's what we did yesterday. I hope you've not forgotten. Okay, like how many of you actually called your friends to say Ezin Cheta Momoge? Can you tell me what that is in Igbo? That is okay. Sorry, in English, yeah, that is happy birthday. Okay, so today we'll be looking at a few commands in Igbo language, simple commands in Igbo language. Okay, you want to tell somebody, close the door. Close the door in Igbo. How do you say it? Mechie uzo. Mechie means close. Uzo means door. Mechie uzo. Okay? Ozugo. It's okay. Ozugo. It's okay. It is okay. Ozugo. All right? Okay, you want to tell somebody, stand up from there in Igbo. Stand up from there. Stand up from there. Bilie ebe ahụ. Bilie ebe ahụ. Stand up from there. Bilie ebe ahụ. Okay? You want to tell somebody, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Mechie ọnụ gị. Keep quiet. Shut your mouth. That's harsh, right? Telling someone to shut your mouth is actually very harsh. Okay, somebody is talking too much, and you're getting bored by the too many talks, and you tell the person, or you want to tell the person, keep quiet in Igbo. You can simply say, "Mechie ọnụ gị," mechie ọnụ gị, or you say, "Nọrọ nwayọọ," nọrọ nwayọọ, mechie ọnụ gị, nọrọ nwayọọ, keep quiet. Okay, you want to tell somebody to come here in Igbo. Come here. Bia eba. Bia eba. Bia eba. Come here. Bia eba. I hope we are following. If this is the first time you're seeing my video, this is your one and only friend, Asam Pete. Okay, if you are in Kano State, Nigeria, and you are in Sabongeri, and you're looking for a place to enroll for your adult classes, you can come to our school, the Synergy Language Academy, located at number 15 Sariki Yaki. Okay. Hello. Good afternoon from here, Nigeria. Okay, my real name is Mrs. Deborah, but I prefer you call me Asam Pete. It's not because I'm the most beautiful, even though I am, but that's my mother's maiden name, and I love to bear it. Okay, I know you'll be wondering, who is this one? What is she saying? What is she doing? But hello, do you know what? I am here so we can learn together. I'm an Igbo woman and a lover of Igbo cultures and traditions. And I have come to understand that this our language is actually going extinct. Everybody wants to speak English, everybody wants to be British. Okay, but do you know that the language of a man actually defines him? All right, I have also come to understand that many people are interested in learning this language, but they don't know how to go about it. That is why I am here, right here, on point, to help you learn this language so easily. This is just an introduction. We're going to get started sooner than you think. And I am a school owner. So if you are in Sabongeri, Kano State, Nigeria, and you're looking for a place you can enroll for adult classes, both morning and evening sections, you can kindly call my phone number. And we have nursery, primary, and justice classes in our conventional classes, okay, in our school. All right, so I encourage you to rush to number 15 Sarakiyaki, Sabongeri, Kano State, to enroll for your adult class, or to enroll your child, your cousin, your whoever, even your neighbor. Help me spread the news. We are here together. So my phone number is 081 That's my WhatsApp number. I will be giving you our assignment. We can be chatting as we start our Igbo language classes. So see you soon. Ndewo ndị be anyị. Onye ị na-anụ olu ya bụ Asampete nwanyị ọma. Ị chọrọ ịmụta otu esi ekele ekele n'asụsụ Igbo? Mgbaderedu, ụmụ m ga-akụziri gị ya ugbu a. Good morning, ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon, ehihie ọma. Good evening, mgbede ọma. After eating, ihe ị ga-ekele bụ imeela. Thank you. Ọ bụrụ na mmadụ mere gị ihe ọma, when someone does good for you, isi onye ahụ imeela.